Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal series. Today we are discussing Delhi ROC adjudication order for the violation of section 203 subsection 4 of the Companies Act, that is a non-appointment of the whole-time company secretary in the matter of the Pitcher's Internet Pvt Ltd. Let's see the facts of the case. Company name Pitcher Internet Pvt Ltd, having registered office as per the MCA record at Connaught Place, New Delhi, and company paid up capital is the more than the 10 crore and turnover is the more than 22 crore for the financial year 2020-21. Further facts of the case, that on the perusal of the application of e-form GNL1 has been noticed that the company's secretary has resigned from the company with effect from 15th October 2019 from the office of the whole-time company secretary, that thereafter company appointed a whole-time company secretary on 10th May 2021. During this period, the paid-up share capital of the company was more than 10 crore rupees. Therefore, the company was required to appoint a whole-time company secretary under section 203, read with the rule 8A of the company appointment and remuneration of managerial personnel rules. In terms of the provision of section 203 subsection 4, read with the section 454 of the Companies Act, this office had issued so-called notice to the company and officer in default. A reply filed by the company wherein the company cited difficulty faced on account of the COVID-19 pandemic in appointment of new whole-time company secretary and asked for a hearing. A hearing was fixed as requested by the company and authorized representative of the company appeared in the hearing. Let's see the relevant provision of the Companies Act. As per subsection 4 of section 203, if the office of any whole-time company managerial personnel is vacated, the resulting vacancies shall be filled up by the board at a meeting of the board within a period of 6 months from the date of such vacancy. If any company makes any default in complying with the provision of this section, such company shall be liable to a penalty of 5 lakh rupees, and every director and KMP of the company who is in default shall be liable to penalty of 50,000 rupees, and where the default is continuing one, with further penalty of 1,000 rupees for each day after first, during which such default continue but not exceeding 5 lakh rupees. Means फ्लैट पेनल्टी कंपनी पर फ्लैट पेनल्टी है 5 लाख रुपीज़ का, और ऑफिसर डिफ़ॉल्ट पर 50,000 एंड कंटिन्यू डिफ़ॉल्ट है तो 1,000 पर डे के हिसाब से पेनल्टी है. तो एडजुडिकेशन ऑफ द पेनल्टी में देखते हैं. द अप्लीकेंट कंपनी एंड ऑफिसर हु इज डिफॉल्ट फॉर नॉन अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द होल टाइम कंपनी सेक्रेटरी आर लाइबल फॉर पेनल्टीज अंडर सेक्शन 203 subsection 5 of the Act, that is with effect from 14th April 2020 to 9th May 2021, after excluding the period of the 6 months as provided under section 203 subsection 4. Means within the 6 month vacancy should be filled. In exercise of the power, MCA considered the facts and circumstances of the case beside oral submission made by the representative of the noticee at the time of the virtual or physical hearing, and after taking into account factor mentioned, ROC imposed penalty on the company and officer in default. On company, there is a delay of 391 days, that is excluding 6 months from the date of the vacancy vacated. That is on company 391 days, that is the flat maximum penalty imposed 5 lakh, and on officer in default on 3 director, that is for 391 days, the 50,000 plus 1,000 per day for 391 days, that is total 4,41,000 on the 3 director, that is 4,41,000 each on the director, officer in default. The company and the director are directed to pay the penalty amount as mentioned in this order, and in case the director such amount is required to be paid out of their own funds. This is the And company and director are hereby directed to rectify the default immediately from the date of the receipt of the copy of this order. The notices shall pay the assigned amount of the penalty through online by using the MCA website within the 90 days of the receipt of this order and intimate this office with proof of penalty paid. Appeal against this order may be, if preferred, will file within the 60 days from the date of the receipt of this order. Thank you so much for watching this update.